How to cross-platform GTA 5 online PC and Xbox. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. As we all know, we can enjoy our GTA 5 in our PC. However, is it possible we can cross-platform like any other games? So the simple answer for this is currently GTA 5 PC and Xbox does not actually support any cross-platform. The rumors are the idea of Microsoft versus Sony battle is still on, and that is actually hindering with this update. So as for today, you might not be able to play a GTA 5 cross-playing with your Xbox. Now, even if you have a PlayStation, you won't be able to access the current version of GTA 5. Now, in this case, what you can do is if you really want to play with a friend, you can play a GTA 5 in a same platform. That means on your PC. Now, as you know, you can easily add your GTA 5 in your Steam by getting access to your Steam Epic Game Launcher, or you can just play it on the Steam as well. So you can try this method until and unless an update comes in a way. And this wraps up this tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.